Looking for a premium, gourmet, and healthy coffee? The basket is full, established in 2015 as a natural food manufacturing company. The Basket is Full is manufacturer of roasted coffee beans intended to unlock natural flavors. The company's platform offers meticulously roasted whole seeds with attention to natural flavor profiles and biochemical integrity, enabling individual consumers and enthusiasts of traditional stimulant beverages to experience enhanced alertness, mental clarity, and cultural engagement through a product deeply rooted in artisanal preparation and historical significance. All of the Basket's coffee are single origin, with 15 products available. 2 products are Pur Java Honduran Natural Chocolate or Honduran Dark Roast Medium Roast Liquid Concentrate. Easy, simple coffee. Just add 1/2 tablespoon of Honduran Dark Roast or Natural Chocolate Concentrate to 6 ounces hot or cold water. This is coffee with all the taste of regular brewed coffee. Pur Java uses a proprietary cold water process resulting in a smooth cup of coffee without bitterness, acidity, or aftertaste associated with brewed coffee. Refrigerate after opening. 1 bottle makes 26 to 36 ounces cups of coffee. Each bottle contains 8 fluid ounces. This product has a 5-year shelf life unopened and is an all-natural product. Refrigerate after opening. 2 simple ingredients: filtered water and coffee. Shade-grown coffee trees, no chemicals used.